Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Okay, guys and girls, I just got a quick, simple tip here for you that a lot of mechanics even overlook on this. It has to do with tracking down an air leak on a Stihl 4 mix. It has valves in it. Here's a valve cover right here. People will track down the air leak. They know that it's an air leak because you can't adjust the carburetor properly, and you can tell it's just sucking air. It's running a little bit lean somewhere. So they'll track everything down, but they will overlook the valve cover. The valve cover makes a difference. I actually had a mechanic. I worked with a mechanic once when he saw me doing this, and he goes, "Hey, Steve, have you ever tried adjusting the valves while it's running?" And I said, no, and neither have you. And he said, oh yeah, I do it all the time. Nutshell, I said, go show me right now. Go show. I had just like this. I said, go show me. He fired it up, took it outside, fired it up. And he said, here's how you do it. He pulled that bolt out, took the valve cover off, and it just went wow, crash. I'm going to show you that right now. And he goes, well, that was weird. Never had that happen before. I just looked at him and I said, you are so full of shit. I'm going to prove it to you right now. Here we go. I'm going to start this right now, and it's going to start in idle perfectly. And then I'm going to pull that bolt out, and I'm going to start taking that valve cover off. And as soon as I break that seal, it's going to start sucking air in there, and the RPMs are going to go way up because now it's running leaner. Okay, here we go. Let's watch this. By the way, the ventilation system is on. Don't forget about that. I just cracked that open that much, and the RPMs went up and it died. That is an air leak that so many people overlook. So many mechanics I've showed that to are blown away by that because they go, oh, you can do it on a four-stroke lawnmower or whatever. It doesn't change it. Well, this isn't a four-stroke lawnmower now, is it? Anyway, I hope I helped somebody out there tracking down their air leak, maybe on a Stihl 4 mix. I hope I helped somebody, and have a nice day. Cheers. Steve out.